Yo guys, it's Up Shadow here and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. Alright, I think today we're doing, some, not salvaging, but mining. We're going on a mining mission today, I'd say. And, yeah, we're just gonna hop in here and then we're gonna bring Nickleback, I think. From somewhere. I'll just have to check from where exactly, but we'll find it. Oop, there you go. Alright, but before we go off, let's do just a little check of our systems here. So our thrusters are all functional. We still have a bit of hydrogen left to go. Alright. Power is also quite enough, I would say. Good. Let us see on the GPS. Alien. There's this one. This one is a guaranteed one for sure. It's not that far away either. All right, let's go. Ooh, look how quickly we accelerate to top speed. Takes like a percentage off of our hydrogen, but we're on top speed like immediately. That's amazing. Also, we're looking like we're hurting because there's still some components not completely repaired, but that's fine. That shouldn't be a problem at all. So let's just get close, then we'll fill our pockets with nickel and then come back. Just easy. We might also, if we want to, we can also take a little bit of iron, technically. Shouldn't be too much of a problem. Also, just so you know, it's fucking hot today. And it's gonna be like that for, surely for the whole week. It's like crazy right now. I have my fan on next to me. I hope you don't hear that too much, but without it, I will basically start to sweat in a minute, pretty much. It's pretty darn crazy right now. Alright, dampeners. We're braking quite quickly as well. I like it. Okay, the nickel is up there. Let's extend our drilling arm. You have to be careful with that acceleration though, I do have to say. Maybe I'll have to do like a switch where I can turn off like a certain amount of thrusters so that I'm, you know, so I can move a bit slower. That would be kind of nice, you know, like fine motor movement, essentially. Okay, let's see. We have the connector. I mean, the drill is the most telling one. If that one is full, then it's definitely too much, but I think we can just go on and just, yeah, see, if I just tap it forward, it jumps quite a bunch. So now it's filling up the drill. Yeah, I think that's enough nickel, actually. Let's also get some iron. I'm gonna retract this real quick so we can do a little bit of navigating. We're flying into the asteroids, aren't we? That's dangerous. Okay, hold on. That's dangerous what I'm doing here because, again, this is not meant to just extend and go right in. Wow, that sounded weird. I'm feathering this thing back and forth right now because I'm not sure if it's gonna oh, there we go. It extended fully. So we're now digging down to that iron, I think. Is what we're doing. And seeing if, oh, okay, the drill is pretty much full at this point, so that's fine. Let's retract it. Back up. We did nothing, didn't we? No, I don't think so. But yeah, pretty cool. I like it. Cool ship. Definitely absolute banger for us, I would say. Okay. Now back to base. Let's line this up and whoosh! Accelerating. Boom. And we're on max. Here we go. So easy. I love it. It's a great ship. It really is. So we just have to bring back the nickel and then we can start repairing a few things here and there. And, you know, also there's still a few, like, augmentations I want to do, especially on the drilling arm with some spotlights. That's definitely something I want to do. Maybe even a camera would be interesting as well. And then I want to implement some systems that warn me when cargo is full. But, you know, that we'll have to check that. Or I think when the drill is full would be even more smart, I would say. Okay, let's start enabling dampeners so we can, you know, correct our course a bit. Although we're pretty well on course, it looks like. Just have to make sure that we don't bump into anything when we go back and dock. Alright, there is our docking port. Not to ding the freaking solar panels with our drill again. I'm still quite sure it was our drill that dinged it last time. Or, well, it was before, whoa, before last time. What am I? Oh, I'm hanging on the, okay. And there we go. Excellent. Yeah, this is really lovely. Well, okay. This is a bit okay. If you walk, you can actually get through there easily. All right. So first and foremost, let's repair these sliding doors and install a few more sliding doors and windows. That's, I think, our first goal of today. Cannot withdraw 5 metal grids. Oh, there we go. I'm not sure what we're withdrawing metal grids for, though. It's weird. Okay. Does this take metal grids? No, it doesn't. Okay. Alright. Yeah, we have to quickly grind that down below function. Huh? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's how they made these half-open doors. They basically destroyed, or no, not destroyed, but turned the door off mid-closing. Okay, I see. Because I was wondering that, actually, how they do that. But yeah, okay. Makes sense to me. That goes in here. Oh god, yeah, we're full. We're full, unfortunately. What is... I feel like very zippy today for some reason. Did I turn up my mouse sensitivity or something? Let me see. That's better. But then again, if I'm in menus, it feels really slow. Did they change some options or something in an update that I didn't see? Because this is very strange. I really feel like I'm zipping all over the place here with my mouse. It's very strange. So this one is access denied, so we'll have to grind it down real quick. There we go, and now we can turn this one on as well. Excellent. Okay. Was that just a symbol? Oh, it's access denied. Oh, why do I not have a display now? That's strange. So it was fine before, but now I somehow lost the display. That's very strange. Okay. Oh, let's just get more stuff. My refinery is on like full tilt right now because it's trying to get rid of all the stone. That's insane. Great, really great. I'm not even sure what it's refining right now. Probably the nickel, I would imagine. But I'm not sure. There we go. We can check if we really need these in the end, these LCDs, or if we want to like just get rid of them, or you know, write something down or something like that. We'll check. Oh, I think I know what the problem is now. Yeah, okay, so I've been playing a different space game recently because it was, you know, it's the summer sale, so there's a lot of good stuff floating around to sink your teeth in, a lot of new stuff you can try out. And I bought a game called, what was it called? Hard Space Shipbreaker. And I like it. It's a pretty good game. It's essentially you're like a salvage worker on a space station salvage yard thing. And, you know, essentially you are, for one reason or another, you're in horrendous debt. Because, you know, you're working for like a big corporation. They're pretty cutthroat, and also they have like a weird cloning program, so if you die you get regenerated and can work again. I think it's also like ever work, they call it, something like that. And so because of that you're in massive debt, and now you try to work off the debt by salvaging, you know, spaceships. It's pretty cool. So, you know, you have to cut the things apart and then drag them into the incinerator with like a grappling tool, stuff like that. And you have to, you know, be aware of certain things. For example, you cannot just cut into a spaceship if it's pressurized, because it will basically cause a violent eruption out of the pressurized area, which can launch things at you and kill you. It's pretty great. Or there's like fuel cells. If you cut into those, they explode, and you know, there's electrical hazards, stuff like that. It's really, I really like it. It's a bit of a grindy game, but I really dig it. And in this game, your space movement is extremely slow. You really just like this, instead of woo, you know, space engineers super quick flying. That's, I think, what irritates me right now. Oh, it's... Wait, access denied? How can it be access denied? How can it be access denied if it's below... No, never mind. Anyway. But yeah, I think that's the problem. Because in that... Yeah, the movement is very sluggish and slow, which kind of helps with... Because of that, everything feels a little bit greater and grander. You know, here I can just zip past the ship in a second, while in hard space it would, you know, take a moment. So it feels a lot more... I don't want to say realistic, that's not the word, but it feels a lot more grand, and it feels a lot more like visceral in a way. I really like the game. It's pretty great. It also has quite a lot of interesting like humor in it. You know, there's like when you start the game, essentially what happens is you have to you know, kind of sign a contract, and there's a whole bunch of crazy stuff in that contract. There's even like a terms and conditions thing, like 20 pages of terms and conditions that you're obviously not gonna read, but there's some crazy stuff in there, you know. Basically the work contract says something. Oh yeah, you're gonna vote for this exact political candidate, you're never gonna join a union, stuff like that. It's really it takes this stuff kind of in a humorous way, but it's also pretty grim if you think about it. But yeah, it's pretty great. Okay, now this why is it access denied? How can it be access denied? For several times now, I welded it down below the hack point. Okay, we're just gonna break it down completely. I'm not playing games anymore, I'm tired. Okay. Although, there's something weird right now. Did you notice that when I grinded that down, maybe I didn't see it, but it didn't say anything about Space Pirates space pirate reputation dropping, as far as I could see. Maybe I didn't see it, but it looked to me like there was no like dropping of reputation. So maybe something weird just happened now with this whole thing. I'm not quite sure. It's very strange. I'm just filling my inventory up with power cells there. One after another. It's gonna be fine. You know? Just takes a second. Don't worry. And that's all we can take. Okay. So this battery is fine, yes? Yeah. There's an incomplete and 2 more batteries that are denied access. So yeah, these 2, we have to grind these 2 down as well, completely. I'm not gonna, you know, I'm just not in the mood of trying and trying and trying when we just can do this, you know? I just, what's the orientation we put these in? Oh, should I? Oof. Okay. Let's see. We'll just grind these down some more. And then the one that's here, we'll put that in the same orientation. So, like, so. And then this one over here, we'll orientate it based on this one, I would say. Because, yeah, I'm not gonna grind it down again. I'm just saying that. Also, I'm pretty sure when I don't have access to these things, they do not give me power. I'm pretty sure. So, yeah. We'll just have to go back and forth real quick. 14 more power cells for this one. And then we're done so. All components withdrawn. Okay, we chose a really strange orientation, but that's fine. That's fine. We're gonna run with this. I think that's this orientation. And because of these doors, we don't see it anyway, so it's fine. Everything is fine. Okay, we need some sliding doors right here as well, with the offset door on the inside. Yes? Okay, we need steel plates, I see. Good, good, good. I mean, now we're basically like in the last 20% of the ship building part. However, as it is in, for example, in programming as well, or in bug fixing, like the last 10% take like ridiculously amount more time than the 80% you did beforehand, or the 90% that you did beforehand. It's just how it is, you know. That's why most things, games, softwares, if you receive them, they're not gonna be bug free, because the last few bugs take so crazy amounts of times to get them out that most companies just gonna say it's not worth it. It's not even close to worth it. So yeah, in case you were wondering, that doesn't excuse Bethesda games basically being sometimes unplayable when they come out, or Cyberpunk for that matter. Not an excuse on that one, but just, you know, sometimes if you find a bug in a game that's otherwise pretty good, just remind yourself of that fact. Well, it's not... I'm not sure if I should call it a fact. I don't think there's like a study that proves it, but it's pretty much, you know, on experience. It's pretty much like that. I'm pretty sure other fields, like in life, work in a similar fashion, I have the feeling. You know, that beginnings and the first things you do are quote-unquote easy, you know. Do we have... No, we don't have the other stuff in production. There we go. You know, the first few things you do are easy and go quick. Then the more you get stuck in, the more sluggish it gets, everything. And, you know, this progress doesn't come as fast as it used to do. That's also, like, a pretty big dampener on like motivation and stuff like that. So yeah. Okay, power cells. God, they take so long. What are we on production? Can we just quickly do these? Oh. Oh, okay, okay. I just thought we have no more iron. What the hell? I mean, we didn't get iron, we got stone, but still, it should be more than enough stone to pretty much make this go easily, you know? Alright, while we wait for the energy cells, let's look around and see if we can find more things to fix. That one we have access to, that's nice. That one we need to fix. We need to fix this. That's fine. That's also fine. Ooh, that block is not correct. Did you see that? That was floating somewhere else. That was weird. That was very weird. Is that's also floating? Yes, right? These were floating. Okay. Hope I can place these now. Because of the piston, otherwise we have a problem. There we go. Okay, I can place stuff, that's good. So we'll place them like so. Okay, that's concerning. Although, there's a window here. Yeah, okay, there's a window there. So that's good. Now here we need one as well. See if we can place that. Oh, I need a girder to place. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Let's go. Let's grab ourselves. Do we have a girder left over? Oh yeah, we do have a few. Nice. Very nice indeed. Yoink. Almost done with that one. Right, then let's see if we can place this bad boy. Unable. That. Oh, okay. Yeah, I just had to choose the right attachment point, I think. Right, okay, that's good. That's good. Very good indeed. What do I have in my inventory? Still some stuff. I'm not sure from where though. From here? No? No? Okay, so I get rid of that, I suppose. Not sure why I picked that up. Oh Jesus! Yeah, we need a bigger container, I think, because both of these are full, like completely fucking full. Okay, we have to remedy this, like, kinda immediately, I feel. Although I'm not sure I'll be able to. I'm just gonna slap this upon here. Let me just actually check if it's the orientation. Yeah, I think the orientation is fine like this. I'm just gonna slap it onto here because that's the easiest thing to do at the moment. We still get power cells here. Boom, another one.
Energy low.
Ready to go. That one is still, you know, getting there. Okay. Okay, now we have to add all other components that we cannot pick up to the build planner soon enough. We just have okay, we got a few things here. That's nice. So we can probably, yeah, finish up that one, and now we have 4 freaking batteries. If we go to the cockpit, we should now have a, oh yeah, at the moment we already have an infinite time thing going. That's fine. Okay, I'm not sure what we picked up in other things. What else are we going on? These two and the large cargo container. Yeah, okay. Oh, that goes all in here. Okay, nice, 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 nice. So let me recover a bit. And then also got a few more things. What do we get? Yeah, that's all for the cargo container. Good. That's fine, because we need to kind of make this one first before we can proceed. Oh boy. Okay, I think we need to add stuff to the thing here. Okay. Yeah. Are we... Construction components and bulletproof glass. Is that right? Oh yeah, that's right. We don't need anything else. That's interesting. We have some bulletproof glass. We should be able to get these windows up and running. Well, running. Oh, that is good, yeah. That is good. So this window... Oh, this window as well needs some repairs. So does this. And then we need some girder to fix ourselves up these two. Right, so let me make a few girders just in case. We can take these. And then... like so. And now we should be able to... Oh, okay, they're not doing anything right now. That's fine. Windows. So we need the... I think the 1x1 face and the 1x1 flat. Because here, we'll be able to put that in. And then... Oh, the face already was replaced again. The 1x1 face. This one. Oh, that's already placed. I just didn't see it. Alright. Alright then. That's good. That's very good. Okay, let me get... Oh, wait. This one. Huh? Yeah. Okay, we need more girders. What the hell? We have some more girders. Excellent. There. Okay, right now we have this one and this one in the build planner. Good. We cannot withdraw anything more, so we have to put them in. And there it is, the big one. So now we can at least have a little bit more, you know, a little bit more space going around. That's good. That's good. Let me just fix up these windows, and then I think we're done for today. At least we got the nickel. That's nice. I think next time I'm just gonna grab myself some more iron, just raw iron, and then while I'm finishing off this thing, I also want to kind of, you know, start to extend our base. That's gonna be the next thing. Ooh, wait, before we go, let's, I love this camera, by the way. This came with the automaton pack. I think that's DLC though, actually, I think. Which I kind of find dumb, because that's a really good camera and everybody should have it. But yeah. And some... and lights, yeah, okay. So we need that, and we also will need... what will we need? That. Okay. So I think we're just gonna try this, right? We're gonna slap this one on top, and then we'll see what the angle is of that. And then, lights, I'm wondering... You know, maybe we just put like interior lights on. Maybe. That might be all that we need. What do we need? We need a few more of these, is what we need. There. Let me just slap those on, and then if we just, you know, make the radius of these big enough, they will just illuminate nearby stuff anyway. So then we have the camera. Okay, so now I'm kind of debating if I should put a door here, because otherwise we'll always have to go back here over this and into here. I'm kind of thinking about that, but yeah. Let's see, the camera. Let's view that. That's a decent camera shot, I think. And now if we look our interior lights, so we have a few actually. I assume it's these two. Let's see. Barely see that actually. Oh no, wait. It has to be the two orange ones because they're on the piston. Yeah. Okay, so these are grill lights. And then we'll just increase the radius kind of like so to 8. That should do quite well. Then once we extend this, this should pretty nicely be lit where we're drilling. Okay, so what do we have to repair? Let's take like inventory real quick. So we still need to put down windows here and on the other side, or doors. I mean, yeah, one of those. In here, I think we're fine. We'll change a few things up here. I mean, I want to have this closed up as well, cockpit wise, or at least have a rail here so we can watch, or a glass window so we can watch into the main room or something. But I want to have it closed off, kind of. Then this is fine, but we have to, let's see. This we have to repair for sure. Container is fine. Then here, that's where we get into the bowels. Here, everything's pretty much fine. I probably covered this with like steel plates here, most likely. That timer block, we might just dig out that timer block and replace it with something else, either a normal block or a functional block. I have a feeling I want to install a event controller, which then can check, for example, if cargo is full. Now this we have to repair as well, and then I think we're pretty good. I mean, the air vent, I'm not sure if it's functional, but the air vent is still a thing. And if we look in here, we have one LCD which we have an access denied on, one landing gear that's incomplete, and yeah, the timer blocks, and then we're pretty much done with this baby, which is nice, you know? I like it. So yeah, that's gonna be our project for next time. Cool. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and take care.